bass lesson, I'll be sharing with you some few techniques that me myself I have been adding to my praise group. So if you're interested, I recommend you watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any part. But before we start the breakdown, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so we'll be using a normal Ghanaian song as usual, but I'll try and play the praise piece by piece and also start with me not using any technique to the bass line. Then I'll break down the simple bass line. Then I'll also groove with me using the same bass line but applying some technique to that bass line. Then I'll teach you how I did that. Okay, so now let's start with the song. So I'll just play simple notes without applying any technique. But let me teach you the bass line before I groove with the technique. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's from my 1 to 4 progression. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you reach your 4, now you be going to the 1 progression. So that is 4, 4, 6, 7, 1, 1. Then now you be going to the 2. So I played 6, 2. Then now to the 5 progression. 2, 5. Still on the 5. 5, 6, 2, 6, 5. These are the notes I played on that portion alone. So now let me apply some technique. So on the 1 alone I did. Then I'll be climbing to the 4. So 1. Then I did an octave on that. 1, 1, 1. Before I climb to the 4. 1, 1, 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 1, and 1. So the 1. You can learn that, okay? 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 1, 1. Then now to the 2 progression. But before I did a slide, I did a ghost note. Okay. 6, 2, the same to the 5 progression. Slide to my 2. Then 5. So a ghost note, slide, then to my 5. Then I played. So I brought in a hammer on to the 6. 1, then 6, 5. Then I came back to my 1. Okay, so now let's continue the next portion of the song. From my 1 to 4, I did 1. I did a double chromatic here from the 2 to the 3. So that is your 2, 2 sharp 3. Then 4. Then to the same 2 progression, I did 6, 2, the same note. Then to the 5 progression, 2, 5. Then to the 1. Then back to the 1 progression. Okay, so now let me apply some technique to this same groove. So I use the root and the octave. 1, your root octave. Then 2 octave. 2 sharp octave. And 3 octave. Then your 4. Then just like the first portion, 6, then 2 sharp 2. It's not like the 6 2. And now I did 6. Now to the 5, 2, 5 sharp 5. Remember to ghost note, slide to the 2, and that is 5 sharp and your 5. Then 5 6 1 6 5. I'm on the 6. Then 1 6 5. to the 1. So now let me play both of them and see. I'll now be playing a simple bass line too. To your 6, the chromatic scale, starting from the 5. Then to your 3. So now you're doing the octave before you play the root. So 3 octave, then 3 root. Then now on the 4, you do the root before the octave. So you play the 4, your 5th, and your octave. So 4, 1, 4. You should learn this. Then I did some nice lines over here. Okay. 6, 5, 4. Now to my 1, 2. 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2. Then what I did on the 4, I'll do the same on the 5 progression. Then I'll be doing 7, 6, 5. Then I'll now be ending just the same. Then 1. So now let me bring in a technique. Just like what you did on the 2 to the 3, you're doing the same to 5 to the 6. So 5, 5 sharp, and 6. Then octave and root on the 3. Then 4, 1, 4. So now I'll not add a technique to this bass line. I'll do it like this. Okay. So you just, on the note you'll be targeting, that's your 6, 5, 4, you start behind that note. That is, if the note is a major note. So 5, 6, 4, 5, then you block on the 4. Then to your 2. 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2. Then to the 5. The same technique. 6, 7, 5, 6, then 5. So some of the bass line I've already taught you. 5, 5 sharp, 6, 3, 3, then 4. So now I'll be going to my 7, 1. So I did 2, 1, 7, 1, 3, 1, 1 sharp, 2. That's the 2 progression. 2, then 5. Then you add this. So 1 to the 4 progression I did 5, 5 flat, 4. Then 6, 2, 2, 5. So now let me add up the technique. So 5 octave, 5 sharp, and 6. So now before you go to the 3, you do 2, 3, 3. So you block on 2, hammer on 3, then 4, the same 4, 1, 4, then 2, 1, 7, 1, 2, 1, 7, 1. So before you do the 2, 1, 7, 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 2, 2, then you 5, then 1, you be going to the 4. So I did 5, 5 flat, 4. So you can bring in the octave to that note, or 5, 5, 5, 5 flat, then 4, then 6. I taught you this. Then so now let's look at the last one. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. So now I'll be descending from my 1 to the 4. Okay. 1, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. Then 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 1. So now let me bring in the technique. So I've taught you the bass line, so let me just teach you the one I did here. So 1. So the octave, you won't be producing any sound, but just the ghost note. Okay. So you need to practice that very well. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. Then to your 2, 6. Then. So now let me try and play it fully and see. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Ciao, bye for now.